Hello and welcome to the Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Today we are going to make a simple and delicious sesame soy chicken. This sesame soy chicken is really very simple to cook, requires virtually no prep, and you're going to love the way it tastes. It's quite versatile as well. You can add vegetables to it, other ingredients, and you can have it either as a snack or a one-dish meal to replace your carbs or as part of a regular dinner buffet. So let's get started. The reason why this dish is so simple is that all I need to begin with is one bowl of chicken. इसी के अंदर सारे spices जाएंगे, इसी के अंदर marinate होगा और फिर इसी से जाएगा pan के अंदर and you're done. We're going to start with a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon provides a very interesting flavor to a lot of dishes, and it's quite an interesting part of Chinese food. It's a part of their very famous 5-spice powder. इसके बाद इसमें जाएंगे थोड़े से green chilies. अब थोड़ा सा नमक. And now a dash of vinegar. और आखिर में थोड़ा सा soya sauce. Now we'll mix the whole lot together. I'm very tempted to put garlic in almost everything, but this one just doesn't need it. This chicken needs to rest for a while to absorb all the flavors, so we'll be right back. The chicken is rested and it's time to cook. सबसे पहले, we're going to put a bit of oil into a hot pan. And now, some chicken. याद रखिए ये boneless chicken है और बहुत जल्दी सूख जाएगा. It'll dry really fast, so don't leave it on for too long. Also remember that it only takes a few minutes to cook. Almost there. Just a few more minutes. While the chicken is cooking, let me cut the bell pepper. The bell pepper, I'm going to add raw to the chicken. It adds a bit of crunch and it brings some lovely juiciness to every bite. इसके ऊपर I'm going to put some sesame oil. The sesame oil that I'm using is a Chinese variety and it's very flavorful. Really, really good. You have to try it. We're done with the cooking part of it. Now it's time to do the eating part of it. पहले इसको plate करते हैं. Let's get the chicken into our platter now. Isn't it lovely? पहले this chicken was looking rather drab. It was just a single color. But now, even with two colors in it, it's looking so much better than it was. We've got some leftover liquid over here, and this liquid is full of flavor. Chicken ka bhi aur marinade ka bhi. Why waste it? So what I'm going to do is to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top, thicken it slightly, and put it right over this. It'll taste so much better. Now for the final garnish. Pehle, some peanuts. They'll add some crunch as well as look really nice. अब क्योंकि इस चिकन का आखिर में नाम तो sesame soy chicken है ना, so we're going to add some sesame seeds. And a little bit of green is always nice. And here we have a simple and delicious sesame soy chicken. बस इसके बगल में 4-5 toothpicks डाल दीजिए and watch your friends gobble it up. The best part about this dish, it uses very little oil and is very versatile. If you're a vegetarian, just replace the chicken with paneer and broccoli and you'll be fine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this dish. But here's one question for you. Can you give me one word for this dish? I'd love to know what you think.